Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my 14 Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, you could go and check out my channel. I have a review about it. And I'm going to show you to make it this time. And let's get started. So first off, you want to start with a 6x6 plate. Smooth piece here. And this piece right here is a spinning table. You want to put that right there. And now take a 2x2 bricks and a 2x2 smooth piece on top. Put it right on the spinning table so it can spin like this. There. A 2-layer of 1x6 bricks right there. 2 layers of 1x3 bricks right there. This is basically a 2 layers, but it's a 2x4 bricks and a 2x3 bricks, and 2 of this 1x2 plates. Stack it on top of each other and then put it right there. Now put it right here. Make sure this plate should facing this way. That. Okay, so this piece, I would take some of this out. So, this piece is a 6x6 plate and some smooth pieces right there. And this is a 2x2 bricks and a 2x2 smooth piece on top. Put it right in the middle, like that. And on the bottom, it's a 1x6 plate and 2x4 plate and a 1x4 plate. A 1x3 plate and a 1x3 bricks. Put it like that. Now you wanna put it on top like this. Make sure this bricks right here should be right there. Should go right there. Like this. Okay. So this is a 1x6 bricks, 2 of this 1x2 bricks on to the side, and a 1x2 smooth piece like that. Put it right in here. Now a two layer of 2x2 bricks. Put it there. Now this is a 2 layers, but this is a 2x2 bricks, a 1x2 bricks, and a 1x3 bricks with a 1x1 plate on the bottom like this. Take this piece, put it right there. Put it like this. Now so wanna take this 6x6 plates and some smooth piece there. It's a 1x2 smooth piece and a 1x3 smooth piece. 2 layers of 1x1 bricks. 2 layers of 3x6 right there. 2 layers of 2x6 there, like that. And now it's a 2x2 plate, a 2x4 plate, a 1x3 plate, and a 1x2 plate. Put it on top like this. Like that. Okay, so now you're almost done. You just need your roof. So it's a 6x6 plate, smooth piece on top. And I designed my roof like this. Yeah, so put it on top first. So you're done, but you're not done yet. You need some pieces to stick like into some holes. And so first, you're gonna take a 1x4 smooth piece, stick it right in here. That. And now I think 1x6 bricks and a 1x6 smooth piece. Slide it right into here. And the 2x2 smooth piece and a 2x2 smooth piece. Put it right there. Make sure it don't fall off. And now a 2x2 bricks and 2 of this 6x6 smooth piece, and slide it right into here. You see there's some space right there? Make sure this piece should go right in there. Just like that. No, wait. I think you want to put this piece there in. And 1x1 bricks, a 1x1 plate, and a 1x1 smooth piece. Okay, now this piece looks confused. I think. Okay, basically it's a 1x1 plate and a 1x4 plate, and another 1x1 plate and a 1x2 plate. Shape it like that. Okay, I want to take this piece out first. Okay, there. So, this piece is a 1x2 plate, I already tell you, and a 1x2 bricks, and smooth piece on top, a 1x1 smooth piece, and a 1x2 smooth piece. And then, 1x1 plate and another 1x1 plate, I already tell you. And a corner piece again, I think, like that. And then a 1x2 smooth piece on top. There. And a 1x4 plate, I already tell you. A 1x2 plate and a 1x1 smooth, a 1x2 smooth piece. Took this 1x1 plate and a 1x1 smooth piece on top. And now, take this piece, put it right there. This piece, put it right there. There. So now you want to take this piece, slide it into this very big hole. Just like this. There. Now take this little piece, slide it right in there. And now take this piece, slide it into this space right there. There. And now a 2x2 bricks and a 2x2 smooth piece, slide right there. Okay. And okay, your prize box is a 1x5, which is not exist. So a 1x1 plate and a 1x4 plate, a 1x4 smooth piece, and this piece, it's basically, I think, wait a minute, let's check this piece out first. 1x1 bricks with a hole, and like have this gap right here, like that. I think you could use this too, but this piece don't have a gap, but it's a 1x1 bricks. It's just a hole, don't have the gap right there. So you could choose which one you want. And so now take this piece, put it like this. The hole needs to facing out. And a 1x1 smooth piece. Put it on top like this. Like that. And now you wanna put some prize in. I think you could put a coin there. Like that. Just put your prize there. Now slide it right into this big hole. Right here. Don't fall off. Like that. So that is how you make my 14th